Hey, thanks for joining me again for Flock Tales. And today I'm going to make a drink that's a little different. If you're like me, you probably have a favorite cocktail or a few favorites. And one of my favorites is a Paloma. I actually did a video a while back showing a Paloma traditionally done two different ways. But today I want to do something kind of weird. I want to do a blood orange Paloma. I've got a bunch of blood orange juice. And thought this might be fun. I'm not going to shake this. I'm going to stir it. We're going to start off with a ½ ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice. Didn't think you want to watch me squeeze a lime. 2 ounces of Reposado Tequila. Now today I'm going to use Roberto 1924, which this is the double cask Reposado. It's absolutely phenomenal. Well, this has some white wine flavor to it because it's aged in Chardonnay barrels, which is going to give this a different flavor. You could do it with any Reposado you wanted. So a full tall jigger of Reposado. Oh, that smells so good. And then we need some agave. Now I use agave in the raw, and you can get this at most grocery stores. It's absolutely perfect. It's just pure agave nectar. And we're just going to do a ½ ounce of this. It's the same as we had of lime juice. And if you notice, I set my jigger into the shaker or into the stir. The reason is that agave has a tendency to hang on in the jigger, and I don't want it all over the bar. So then we're going to do some blood orange juice, and I'm not going to add a ton of this, but I want enough. So basically I'm going to do what I did in tequila and half again, so 3 ounces. Okay, and then last but not least, well, actually 2 things, but we're going to add some grapefruit juice just to get it some color and some depth. Probably maybe 1.5 ounces of that. Okay. Now I'm going to stir this all together and strain it over an ice block. This is enough to make 2 drinks. And then I'm going to take a little bit of club soda and just splash that on top to get it a little bubbly, and an orange wedge on the side of the glass. And that way we get a really nice looking cocktail. It's a blood orange Paloma, something a little different. You're still going to get that grapefruit zest, but it'll be bubbly and it'll have the depth of the orange to it as well. Oh my, that's really good. Give that a shot. If you have a drink you'd like me to make, drop me a line, bill@kansasflamingochef.com. If you have a dish you'd like me to make, same thing applies. Until next time, like, share, and subscribe. Eat fabulous, drink fabulous. See you on the next one.